Hi guys, Terry here with Good Ingestions. Guess what just arrived? Dr. Fuhrman's new book, Eat for Life. It's the breakthrough nutrient-rich program for longevity, disease reversal, and sustained weight loss. I cannot wait to get started reading all this great information on the latest in nutritional science. Not only that, but this book offers a lot of helpful stuff, like a variety of meal plans. There are menus for great health and ideal weight. 3 weeks worth. There are emergency menus for people with life-threatening heart disease or diabetics who need to lower their blood sugar levels quickly. Menus for people who need to lower their blood pressure quickly, or I would add having a special event like a vacation or a wedding or a class reunion in the near future. There are menus focused on preventing and fighting specifically autoimmune disease and cancer. Of course, the menus make reference to the recipe section in the back of the book. It says there are over 100 delicious recipes. This is exciting to me because I'm always on the lookout for tasty additions to my family's meal rotation. I love to read through cookbooks from beginning to end, and what I love even more is cooking my way through them. I'm going to start today by making the very first one listed in the recipe section, the Cherry Chocolate Smoothie. If you're excited to see how this smoothie turns out, give this video a like. And while you're at it, hit the subscribe button if you're not already subscribed. Let's check out this smoothie. So this cherry chocolate smoothie calls for plant-based milk, some cocoa, some dates, make sure to get the pits out of those, some kale, some walnuts, vanilla bean powder, and some frozen cherries and frozen blueberries. I always blend all of the unfrozen items first, so that when you add the frozen ones, it blends a little bit easier. Let's whip this up. Now that that's blended, I'm going to add the frozen fruit. In go the cherries and the blueberries. That's well blended. Looks pretty thick. Just going to pour it into the glass. It's an interesting color. So that was a lot of kale that went in there, but it says here that you can use half kale and half spinach. I found that when you use spinach in a smoothie, you don't really taste it. The kale is a little more grassy, and I can smell that it's kale forward. Surprisingly, that small amount of cocoa really comes through and makes it taste good. And the date makes it nice and sweet. And truthfully, that's more kale than I would have ever used in a smoothie. But the more greens you have, the better, right? It's actually very good. What a great way to get your greens. I'll be making this one again. So thanks to Dr. Fuhrman for the latest in nutritional science, the menus, the recipes, and for helping all of us figure out how we can live longer and healthier into our later years. If you're interested in getting Dr. Fuhrman's new book, I'll put a link below where you can check it out. And it will likely soon be coming to a library near you. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos. Click the bell button so you get a notification every time I upload a new video. Share it with your friends so they can benefit from the information as well. And remember, the road to health is paved with good ingestions. See you next time.